Okay, guys, it is another beautiful week, and it is good for you to have a good trading plan for the week so that you can have a successful trading week for yourself. Okay, so in this video, I will be sharing with you some analysis right here on some of these assets so that we can do it together. Okay, and of course, you get to see how I analyze the reason why I am taking a decision on each of these assets, and this will help you to learn more and also know what to do whenever you're trading. Okay, so before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be able to reply you. Okay, guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. So I will be starting with GainX 1200, and of course, I am using the 3N trend maker trading indicator, which is a custom-made indicator. That is what I am using right here. So I hope you follow me to the end so that you will have a good understanding of what we have right here. And my chart is going to be 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so let's go into it together. So just like you guys have seen, this had been an uptrend before, starting from this support zone. Remember, we actually milked this particular asset throughout last week. Okay, so check it out, even till this very moment, and that's about 263 candles. All these are 15-minute candles, and that is about 76,641 points. Okay, so that's so amazing because all these are 15-minute candles. Okay, so it got to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there. And if you should notice, this is actually giving a kind of vibe, um, a kind of semicircle vibe, and which means when that happens, it means it's going to sell. Okay, so we expect more selling opportunity right from there. And of course, at least once it breaks out from here, guys, then we expect it to sell to this. We have free range around here that we need to milk, so it should get to this region. And if it breaks out from there, then we should be thinking of it getting to this particular spot, and you can use a very reasonable stop loss also, probably somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here as your stop loss. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this will give you something tangible at the end of the day. I love using another color for stop loss, so let's do that. Magenta, good. So this is a reasonable setup for you guys. Okay, so you can take advantage of it right from there. Let's check out GainX 999. Okay, for GainX 999, this was an uptrend before, but it played around there for a very long time, and most especially when it got to the resistance, so you can see it kept on getting there and of course bouncing back. I remember very well, I actually draw this trend line just for us to follow. I think I did this on Saturday. Okay, that once it breaks out below this, then definitely it's going to sell more. And of course, you can see after breakout, it changed it into a downtrend, and it's totally got to this region. Once you know your way, and of course you understand the art of trend trading, then you will always make the market. This actually switched into an uptrend around here, and it gave us a good profit, even though we actually expected to get to this region, but this is also good enough. Okay, that's really cool. And of course, it came down right from there to try out the support zone again, was unable to break out from there. So ever since it has been playing within this region, it goes on uptrend for a while, then comes back. Right now, it will be trying out the support zone again. So let's see if it will break out below the support zone. If it does, then it's going to sell more. But if it does not, then it will go back on buy trend again and see if it can actually break out from here first. Okay, if it breaks out from here, then it will be targeting this region again. this region again, so we should take note of that. Okay, but for now we are looking at this support zone. Let's see if it will get to the support zone and break out from there. If it does not, then we should see it going back up again. Now that, I mean, this is actually gain X999. Okay, and of course let's go to the third asset, which is going to be paynex 1200. Okay, for paynex 1200, like I said, trend trading strategy, still the best way to trade. Okay, if you should notice, the analysis have been favoring us because we are using the trend trading strategy. This actually got to this support region and was able to break out from there. So it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, even though it had a pullback. But even if you had set your trade around there and put your stop loss there, it wouldn't, I mean, it's not going to get to your stop loss before picking up back. Okay, and check it out. This will have given you a lot of profit. Remember, this is also 15 minutes time frame. Let's say you come in around here, and of course, this is still buying 143 candles. That's so amazing. That is 50,000 plus points. Okay, and it's still buying. Okay, so that's so amazing, guys. So now, this is still very much on buy trend. It will be targeting the next resistance zone. So we should watch out for that. Okay, we should watch out for that. So you can see broke out from this particular resistance zone, and of course, let's see. I just want to see where it is heading to. It is always important how you see where it is. Okay, good. This is where it is heading to. You can see it right. This is the closest resistance region that it's we can say is heading to. Okay, that is if there is no minor resistance zone that can push it back, probably around here. But this is the major place that you can see that is heading to. So this is still on bullish trend, still buying, and if it breaks out above this, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so we should take note of that. So it is always important you know where the direction, I mean, where an asset is actually heading to, so that will help you to know what you should look out for. Okay, maybe for the next 2 days, 3 days, or thereabouts. Okay, now let's check out paynex 999. Okay, so you can see it's so easy when you understand what is happening within the chart. Okay, so it will help you to analyze better and see what you can do within the market. This actually switched from a downtrend right here to an uptrend right from the support zone. And if you should see, guys, if you should take advantage of the opportunity, set up your order, and of course, this will have given you a lot of profits. Check it out. It got to this region. That's so amazing. So right now, it's trying to go back on downtrend. If you and also set up your order, you should be in profit right now. And of course, even though it is having a major pullback at the moment, okay, so I will advise you to wait until the pullback is over. Okay, let me delete this. So this is what is happening around here. Let me just put it like this. Okay, so if it breaks out above this, definitely it will be targeting the upper parts of the charts, which is this side. Okay, first it will want to get to this side first. Okay, and may likely get to this side. That is if it breaks out from here. But if it does not and it breaks out below this, then it means that we are going to sell more right from there. Okay, so it's most likely for you to sell because it has gotten to the resistance zone already, and of course it's a major resistance zone, and it has switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, even though after getting to this region it's trying to play around there and see if it can pull back totally. Okay, but if it breaks out below, if it comes down again and breaks out below this support zone, then definitely we are in for a good sell and we might be targeting this region. Okay, so you can just place your order probably somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here, and target this particular spot as your TP, and you can put your stop loss at the peak of this region, probably somewhere here. Okay, you can put your TP there, target this as your first TP, then you can also come in with the second TP or probably third one. Okay, so this is very, very important. So you guys can take advantage of that right from there. Okay, so just keep an eye on it. You will have to wait for a while for you to have a clear signal before you jump into it. Okay, so this is very, very important. Like I have always been telling you, you should learn to wait. You should learn to be patient. Okay, whenever you are trading, you shouldn't rush into the market, most especially when the signal is not very clear. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's check out this last asset, which is going to be FX volume 80. Okay, this is FX volume 80, and just the way we have seen it, this had been playing around there for a while. Okay, but this is at the resistance zone. Okay, and I'm going to say if it breaks out below this, then we should experience a good selling opportunity. But for now, it is still playing within the upper part of the channel and the lower part of the channel. Okay, this is our sideways trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. So if you once you can trade in between the channel just the way it is going. Okay, and of course, once there is a breakout, then you should follow the trend after the breakout. Okay, so this is very, very important. So you guys can take advantage of all these opportunity, and you can also join the Telegram channel for more updates on some of the signals that I have just explained to us in this video. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy of Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from me, can you give me a follow right now? Like this video and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there um to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.